Hello, beautiful people. We are back. Welcome to Mary's Kitchen. Yes, good news, good news. We are eating the milestone, the very first milestone, plus 100 subscribers. Yippee, 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 yippee. Thank you, all my supporters. I appreciate you. You know yourself. I appreciate you. All my subscribers, returning subscribers, those who are watching from wherever all over the world. I really, really do appreciate. Thank you for your support. It means so much to me. So today I've got to make these black soup. It is black soup day today. It's a very nutritional soup, and I tell you what, you need a lot of ingredients for this soup. As easy as it looks, you need a lot of ingredients, I'll tell you. So today I've got, like you can see on the screen, I've got goat meat, I've got smoked turkey, I've got leaves, I've got Uziza leaf, I've got spinach, and I've got basil leaf I'm going to use today. And there's also bitter leaf I'm going to use. I've got smoked fish, I've got fresh fish, mackerel fish, or mackerel. I love mackerel, can't do without mackerel. And there's chili, there's scotch bonnet, there's palmnut oil. I've got onions diced already, and there's dry fish, there's crayfish, there's Uziza seeds, there's pepper soup spice, and there's ginger and garlic. So first of all, we're gonna start by cooking the meat. So I've already washed this meat, it's nicely washed. Before I forget, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. It means a lot to me. So we're gonna cook the meat. I've just added some onion. We're gonna add some seasoning powder, and then garlic and ginger paste, and some salt. As you can see me adding, and then we're gonna let this cook for 5 minutes. Please keep watching. So whilst that is cooking, I'm gonna move on to the fish. So I'm gonna season this fish because I'm gonna put in the air fryer, just to make it, tastier. So I've added some seasoning. There I've got some paprika, some salt, and some seasoning powder. I'm gonna combine these, mix it up together so it gets well combined, and set aside for a few minutes before I put it in the air fryer. So I'm just checking the meat to see, it's released some liquid. I'm just adding some more water because it needs to cook for furthermore 10 to 15 minutes. So after that, I've checked on it, it's okay. I've added some stockfish. So I'm gonna let that stockfish cook for 5 minutes. So keep watching. So next, I'm gonna blend the leaf and the peppers, the vegetables and the peppers. Gonna blend them all together because I've got 3 different leaves. I've got the basil, spinach, and bitter leaf. So I'm just trying to mix it up so that it can blend evenly. I'm not putting a lot of water, just a little water, because I don't want it to be all liquidy, and I don't want it to be too watery. I meant to say, so that that will shorten the time I cook it for. And so moving on to that, I've set that aside. Also at this moment, I'm preparing the palmnut oil, or palmnut fruit. We call it banga in my country. So it's important. What you see me doing now, for some people they can totally skip this, but I like to do it because some of this canned fruits, at the bottom there is sediments. So I just checked to see if there were sediments. That's why I used the transparent container, but it was fine. So that's why I just poured it straight. If it wasn't, I would have gone in gently, and so that the bottom doesn't go. So I've poured that in, and now added some crayfish. Gonna let that cook for 5 more minutes. And then I'm gonna prepare my Uziza seeds. You can blend this, you can grind this. Well, I choose to, do it the old way, do bits of exercise, So that's why I'm using a little pestle and mortar. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So there you are. It's already grinded. I finished grinding it, and so it didn't take long, to be honest. And now I've checked my soup. It's coming on nicely, smelling nice, smelling lovely. I've just added the smoked fish. I cannot, if you know me very well, I cannot do without smoked fish. Smoked fish, smoked turkey. Oh, if you give me that, I love you any day. So I also had added some pepper soup spice and some seasoning cube. And of course, the Uziza seeds are grinded. Next, as you can see, I'm adding my blended green vegetables, and I'm gonna let this cook for only a few minutes because I want it to be rich and nutritional. I want it to be nutritious because that's why I love my black soup. So almost immediately I'm adding my fish so that they can all cook together, marry each other, and I'm adding some more seasoning. So we're gonna let this cook for a further 5 minutes, and there you can see it's coming out nicely, looking all good. Yes, I couldn't wait to consume this, I tell you. Yes, I love it. It tasted so good, so amazingly delicious. And I had it with some starch, as you can see. So guys, here you are. That's the finished product. It was amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Hopefully not for long. I repeat. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you loads. Stay out of trouble. God bless you. Bye for now.